Airbnb business have become a very lucrative side hustle for a lot of people. Many people have been making huge sums of money leasing out their apartments and rental spaces on the Airbnb platform. The Airbnb platform has made it easier for people to easily lease out their properties and make thousands of dollars every day from their rental properties. You can still join this Airbnb business even if you don't own any property. So please don't be afraid to join this business even if you don't own any properties to rent out. Also, real estate agents, hotel owners, and real estate developers can also join this Airbnb business by leasing out their properties on the Airbnb website. So right now, these are the list of ways that you can make money with Airbnb without owning any properties. Number one, use the Airbnb rental strategy. Use the Airbnb rental arbitrage strategy. Number two, become a rental property manager. Number three strategy is to become a co-host to an Airbnb host. The fourth strategy is to become an Airbnb consultant. The fifth strategy is to become an Airbnb marketer. So use these strategies to join the Airbnb business and rent out your properties on the Airbnb platform without owning any properties to rent. So later on in this video, I'm going to explain these strategies that I just listed now. But first, please permit me to explain what Airbnb is all about. So for those of you who don't know what Airbnb is a service that lets property owners rent out their spaces to travelers looking for a place to stay. Travelers can rent a space for multiple people to share. Travelers can also rent a shared space with private rooms, or they can rent out the entire property for themselves. So this means that if you're a property owner, you can lease out your rental properties on the Airbnb website. Once you lease out your property on the Airbnb website, you can make steady income every day just from the comfort of your home. So right now, please follow this step-by-step guide to start a successful Airbnb business. Step 1. Look for Airbnb spaces to rent. If you're a landlord or you own your own properties, you can lease out your own properties for rent on the Airbnb platform. But if you don't own any properties, you can liaise with property owners and make a deal with them to list their properties on the Airbnb platform. You will make a commission once their properties are rented out on the Airbnb website. Also, you can become a property manager and lease out the properties that you manage on the Airbnb website. You can also become an Airbnb marketer and help property owners market their properties on the Airbnb platform and receive a commission for every revenue that you generate on the Airbnb website with their properties. Real estate agents can also partner up with Airbnb and lease out their rental properties on the Airbnb platform. Also, real estate developers can join the Airbnb platforms and lease out their properties on Airbnb. So make sure that the properties that you lease on Airbnb are well maintained and ready for lodging on a daily basis. Also make sure that you clean up and manage your Airbnb properties very well. Step 2. Provide the essential amenities for your Airbnb rentals. After securing your Airbnb rentals, you need to provide the necessary amenities that your guests might need, and you need to also make sure that those amenities are in good working conditions. These are examples of the necessary amenities that your guests might need in your Airbnb rentals. They are air conditioners, heating, Wi-Fi or internet connection, a workspace, pool, parking spaces, gym, washing machine, and a kitchen. So make sure that these amenities are available in your Airbnb rentals. Make sure that you provide the best quality hospitality experience for your Airbnb guests. So provide the best hospitality experience for your Airbnb guests. Step 3, register or sign up with the Airbnb website, then list your properties on the Airbnb website. After procuring your rental properties, you need to start registering with the Airbnb platform, then fill in the necessary information required on the Airbnb website. Make sure that you fill in your correct bank details on the Airbnb website. Providing your bank details on the Airbnb website will make it easier for you to withdraw your money to your bank account from the Airbnb website. So start listing your properties on the Airbnb website after signing up with the Airbnb platform. You also need to take pictures of your rental properties and upload them on the Airbnb website. Also, you need to fix the price of your rental properties on the Airbnb website. List all the amenities that you provide in your rental properties on the Airbnb website. Step 4, incorporate your Airbnb business. You need to incorporate your Airbnb business as a company to make sure that your Airbnb business is more legit. Incorporating your business will help protect your Airbnb business from lawsuits. It can also help you attract investors, landlords, real estate agents, and real estate developers to your Airbnb business. So this means that incorporating your Airbnb business will make it easier for you to partner with real estate developers, landlords, real estate agents, and investors. Step 5, promote your Airbnb business. Make sure that you promote your Airbnb business on all social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Make sure that you are very active on social media so that you can get potential clients and customers on social media. Use search engine optimization strategies to boost the visibility of your Airbnb rentals. Step 6, withdraw your revenue from the Airbnb website to your bank account. After generating income with your rentals on the Airbnb platform, you need to withdraw your earnings from the Airbnb platform to your bank account. Also, remember to be careful of fraudulent activities that might be used against you on the Airbnb website. So make sure that you are very careful and beware of fraudsters. So follow this step-by-step guide that I've provided for you carefully so that you can start a successful Airbnb business from scratch. So if you have any questions, please ask me right now on the comment section. Ask me questions so that I can answer them immediately right now. Also remember to subscribe and click the bell notification button to this channel so that you can get the latest information about online businesses. Also remember to like and share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to make money online with Airbnb. Remember to watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different strategies that you can use to make money easily online. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye. See you on my next video.